Hey guys, so if you've seen any of my previous videos, you've seen I have a pretty bad exhaust leak on the Camaro here, and then I was originally thinking about trying to patch it, but the whole system is pretty much shot. There's a really big hole right in the pipe when it comes off the cat, and then there's another hole in that pipe when it bends up over the axle, and the muffler is shot. So I ordered a kit from Summit. It's a catback 3-inch. It's a 3-inch intermediate pipe going into a muffler, and then splits out to a 2.5-inch rear exit. So I'm heading over to Frank's house today. He's kind enough once again to let me use his lift. So we're gonna start heading over there and hopefully get this done. And hopefully it doesn't take all day. Check back in. Of course, the battery is dead. Still dead. Okay, it's running now. See the major exhaust leak? Crazy. Okay, so we made the 30-minute ride over to Frank's. He's moving his car out of the garage so we can get in there. '69 Nova, LS swap, Pro Charger. Really cool car. Built the whole car himself. Hey Frank, hi. What's up? You start the Nova?
So this flange will come to here, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. If we cut this,
Mess.
I know the cat's a mess.
It'd be great if you could just. But this is oval.
Right.
Unless we're able to crush the pipe oval, I don't know, or use the flange. All right, let me just.
That was my dilemma. You see.
Yeah.
You see the hole here?
Yeah, it's pumping out like that.
That's the giant hole.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my god.
It's like
Just
separated.
blew it out, yeah.
And then there's a hole back here on the bend.
Okay.
And then the muffler's cracked. There's a hole in the muffler.
Oh yeah, yeah. Maybe
So I was
night
like,
and
I
day when
can't.
you do it, yeah.
I was gonna patch, but I can't
No,
patch
no.
this.
Because and then when you try to weld it, if it's already thin with the rust,
Right.
it'll blow right through it.
Yeah, you can't.
That's three. It's around 3.5 that way, and then it's like 2.5 that way.
Weird, right?
So I wonder if it's a 3-inch pipe that just when you
That they
squash
flattened it.
down.
Yeah.
Oh, goodbye.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's ugly.
That's pretty much it, right?
Yeah. So a 3-inch pipe.
So
with
what do you
the
think
one
we
end
can do?
squashed, cut it right off.
Now this was a little piece. How, you could bend the big piece just as easily.
Yeah. Because it's just you're just doing the tip of it, right?
All right.
Just the tip. Because then we'd be able to cut it.
Yeah. Let's get rid of this whole thing, right?
And then, you know, the only tricky part will be, of course, just gotta weld it real nice. So let's clean this pipe real good. Get the piece welded on. Which you have room to get up top there. And this thing will just be left off open. Just cut it. Because you can't plug this because it has to push air out. Like we tried to plug it and the pump's just back, like hammering.
Yeah, then I would just have to
So you
use
just
the
leave it
pump
open,
probably.
It's just pumping air out. That's all it does.
Or pump air,
It
yeah.
pumps fresh air into the exhaust, which I thought was weird anyway.
It adds extra air to help it
The catalyst
would get hotter, right? I think.
Oh yeah. Yahtzee. Squish that down.
This could be long enough.
Is it gonna be?
Probably. Huh? Oh, we could just take a measurement of the cat. So we have this extra angle here, which is sending the pipe all the way to the right of where it needs to be, and we don't know why this angle is here, so we're just gonna cut it off. So we cut off the bend, and Frank here welded it straight. We still have to weld this piece. Weld that. Right.
All sorts of stuff.
We're doing cool car guy stuff.
Yeah.
When are you gonna come inside?
Come inside. I'm done.
So let's just go over what we did here because I don't know if we got it all. So this pipe is a piece you had of stainless.
Yep.
You crushed it in a vise to fit onto the original Y pipe. This piece we got from Ricky at American Muffler. It's a 2.5-inch piece where he made a ball flange on one end and then he expanded it over here so the 2.5 would fit inside the 3.
Yep.
Then the piece from the kit had a bend in it that was wrong, so we had cut it, weld a straight piece on, clamp it over the axle. Everything just clears close, but it fits. And then we're back here and we just got to put on the tailpipes and hope that fits.
Yeah. Yeah, we tried to have a tailpipe there.
Yeah.
Because when it rotates up, it's the other pipe.
Yeah, that fits.
Yeah.
Stick out a little far.
You can always cut the ends off if you want. What do you want to do?
Yeah, alright.
And this muffler can get moved.
The muffler's a little crooked right now.
Which way?
Tilted down.
Yeah. It's hanging this way, right?
Yeah,
So does this need to go up a little bit?
I guess. Or that could come down.
Come down one notch.
I mean, I guess there's room for it to go up, but if we can bend it up.
Red.
Yeah.
So it's hanging this way. It's got to bend like down and then back up.
This.
Yeah.
That much?
Yeah. I mean, kind of want it to go back up, right? Over here. Right here. Go back up.
So we're all done here. Got everything tightened up. Ended up with plenty of clearance here. And the muffler is looking straight. We trimmed the tailpipes with an angle. After we cut this piece straight, it fit perfect. Got a ball flange, just the original hanger bracket, and right up to the original Y. Let's hope it works.